Hello everyone, I am Naveen. So, in this video, I am going to answer top 10 Node.js interview questions. The first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Basically, JavaScript is browser dependent. To bring JavaScript out of the browser, we need some environment to run our systems. So basically, Node.js provides an environment to run JavaScript on our systems. JavaScript is non-blocking and event-based architecture, which specifies that when it allows concurrent process to execute at the same time. Coming to the second question, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Basically, a callback function is a function which passed as an argument to another function. We use callback functions in asynchronous programming techniques. Asynchronous programming basically means that many processes are executing at the same time, and when one function executed, the next function should execute in the in that sense we use callback functions there. That means when this particular task happened, we need to use this function has to be called like that. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Basically, package.json file, which is used in Node.js, contains the project details. That is the project which we are working on, like the details like name of the project, dependencies used in the project, and version of the project, and initial starting point of the project, etc. Coming to the fourth question, explain the difference between require and import statement in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require and import statements are both are important pa- important keywords which we use in Node.js. We generally use require to import, mean to extract normal modules like general modules like require, uh, firebase, etc. from npm, and we use import for es modules to import es modules in your code. What is middleware of the context of in the context of express? Can you give an example of how we use middleware in express application? Basically, middleware is a function which consists of three parts like error, response, and request. We use Express is basically a backend framework. In middleware, basically is used to handle HTTP requests and handle requests from database and so on. What is RESTful API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. We can create a Node.js. We can create HTTP. Sorry, RESTful APIs in Express and Node by using routes. We can create multiple routes like app.get, using app.get post, and some CRUD techniques like get, post, put, and so on. Basically, when you get that out, like what is API? Basically, many companies maintain databases. Many people across the world may require the databases. So, preventing direct access to the database, they provide some API which acts as a middleware between the user and the server. Server in the sense database. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage the dependencies in a Node.js project? Basically, Node Package Manager comes handy for many developers because in full stack web development, many functionalities will be same for approximately majority of the users. So when a user write a particular program and when you can upload that particular program in somewhere and another user can directly import this program and they can execute right without going to start from scratch. So Node Package Manager contains all the list of packages which is used to install and serve projects. Why it is important to hash passwords in a web application? Mainly we hash the passwords for security reasons. We use a cryptographic function which provides a hash value for fixed length hash value for a password, and when we reverse encode the hash function, we get the password. So basically we use hash passwords to hide our passwords and for some security reasons. Thank you, that's it.